Let's click on the first insight with the name Team Progress. It displays the cumulative progress of OKRs of those teams of which you are a part of. Please make sure that you have selected the intended period for the insight. The period drop-down displays your default period. In the top section, you will see summary stats like average progress, the number of teams with and without OKRs, the number of teams by score, and check-in status to know if teams are updating OKR progress frequently. In the bottom section, you will see details like team name. You can navigate to team OKRs by clicking team name. You can also view team manager details, average progress, objectives by progress, objective count, objective by status, and last check-ins. You can search for a specific team by just typing in the team name in the search bar. In the column Objectives by Progress, you can see the count of OKRs at 3 levels of completion. You can click on the buttons to view which one of the OKRs are at which level. In this pop-up screen, you can view the progress of all the OKRs and even download the OKRs by clicking on the down arrow icon. Lower level filter. Maybe you want to see which teams don't have OKRs. Just select the lower level filter and select without OKRs, and you will see just those teams without OKRs listed below. Then you might take the action to speak to the team leads of those teams. To include or exclude other teams in your insight, you can click on this filter icon to select or deselect teams. Enable Include Subteam to also include subteams placed under main teams. When you click Apply, the insight will be updated with the details of the selected teams. If you want to save this insight with all the filters and conditions that you have applied, you can do so by clicking on the star icon. Provide the name of the insight and then click on Save to save it. This insight will now be available in the main insight window under My Favorite Reports section. Now let's click on the second insight with the name Individual Progress. In this insight, you can see the progress of OKRs for each of the members of your team. The layout of the details, options to search and view are similar to what we have discussed in the previous insight. You can find more details on how the objective progress and status are being calculated in the Help section.